Are they those birds eating centipedes? You know?
Oh yeah, those are kind of crazy.
With a giant 12-inch centipede in their mouth.
Hey, morning, Saturday. We are just heading to the pier. We're just about here. Give you a quick look, Dave and I. Oh man, it's a beautiful morning. Let's check it out. I think volleyball's going on again. I looked at the dash cam on Hennessy's and all the courts were up. So there's volleyball again down there.
Looks like we're gonna be parked here.
Oh.
Our favorite spot.
And then your other favorite spot.
Well, I'll park here though. That's usually a pretty good one.
All right, I'll film some more when we start walking down. All right, we are heading down. Is he putting any gear on, or did he just walk?
I think he just walked it.
Okay. Good old Java man.
Java man.
Yeah. I don't know, he must walk fast. He's not, I don't see him now.
This wind.
I know, I feel it. It's on onshore too.
It's kind of a south wind. You can see the flag down there. Sushi hobo? No, I got somebody else. Somebody else. That's really hobo.
I know, right? Steak and whiskey. Oh, I don't know if we're gonna make that, are we? No. I know. I still don't see Jim. Oh, there he is. Yeah, he's way down there. See the fins.
I miss those fins.
Let me pop this. What am I recording at today? Glad you made it. Nice and early. Wow.
I know. I'm always. Patrick calls me at 6 this morning. I'm like, crowded day. Yeah. It's even really on my way to Manhattan. I'm like, I know you're the only one awake at 6 a.m. True. Yeah. True. All right. I'll see you guys later.
Well,
Here we are.
Yeah.
Yet again.
it's summer.
It feels like it's finally.
I know.
Yeah, right?
Now we got it. Yeah.
It just feels like a big weight's lifted off. Like, okay.
It's a lazy river. Now I have no wind again.
pretty fun on the cam.
Nice.
Yeah. And-
we have high surf tomorrow.
Probably not here, but yeah.
And the water 70, hopefully.
Hurricanes lined up.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Water 70?
That's what.
70 or 72.
Yeah,
No.
that's what we saw.
Yeah.
I brought the shorty.
So it's always colder here. But
Yes.
most of Cam said 73. We'll see. We shall see. I'm going to wear my wetsuit
Until you sweat.
Yeah, that's what it's doing out there.
I know, it's funny, when we were younger, it was just like, I'd never wear fins. What the heck?
I'm like, I'm never
I'm fast enough.
I'm never taking them off.
There you go.
And then I let you guys go for a couple years, and David are like, screw this.
I know, right?
If the coach is going to do it.
No, well, in the morning in Masters, I wear them the whole time.
Ah.
I'm like, I don't.
Why not?
I don't feel the need to. I'm old enough. I'm like, doing a walk. I feel like I like going fast.
Yeah, me too.
I like the feel
Well,
of the fin.
You know, I bought a paddleboard for the Philippines, and I bought a motor board.
I'm knocking on my paddleboard.
That are true. Yeah, that.
I can't wait to try the little motor out.
I have it in there. I should just drop it to the car and go out to
Yeah.
work every day.
I was going to let you get in front of me, but you can go in front back. Water looks okay.
Sorry.
No problem.
With her cousin. She came home at almost 9 last night.
Whoa.
I'm like, oh, she'll be up in 24
Totally
hours.
exhausted.
Oh, God, yeah. We're like, oh, tell us all about it. She goes, oh, no.
I'm going to bed.
Tomorrow. Took a shower, she's out. Well, that's because I don't have to babysit her today. There's no babysitting with her.
I know.
This is corralling them.
I know. I know she's been out here and I've spent probably 3 days with her.
Wow, look at the pier. You can see it really clear. Yeah.
You can see it kind of coming in from, further you look, it's coming in south. Definitely. There'll be some forerunners today. Well, it's been a nice push at least in that direction. Yeah.
I like when we just sit there and it pushes us.
I do too. I find that funny. Oh, like the next tower, we didn't have to.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I think Duncan's race is Sunday, tomorrow.
Oh, is it?
Try.
Oh,
Is he tapering
Taper
today?
today, yeah.
Okay.
yeah.
And then I don't know where Ricky is. I think he's traveling. Isn't he?
I haven't
I
heard.
haven't heard from him. And then I texted him. Of course, he's like my grandpa. He sleeps from
I used to do that when I was a kid, but I can't do that anymore.
Oh man, your granddaughter. I was thinking Brittany. And now she's old too, like us.
I know, right? Everybody's cool.
Well, my son just turned 31.
Oh
so.
my gosh, right?
Yeah.
I know, I still think of my girls at 17. Yeah,
Morning, Jim.
Good morning.
Gotcha.
no. Morning, sunshine.
Good morning.
Most made sad, but I just think of my 6 seconds.
I microfiber cows, I got 2 of them. They lasted about 20 years.
Oh, Jackson, he's still there.
You put that on the wall.
Just had a nice
Like your shirt is on a flag? Yeah.
Yes.
Mine's Like who's on your legs?
It's like it would like the water would just roll off.
Yeah, you think, but no,
It's like the terry cloth stuff. Yeah.
Glad you guys are consistent because it's easy to find you.
I know, we're in the same space.
Arthur.
How are you today?
Good, how about you?
Good. So far, because I don't like the bubbles in my face, but I do like the draft.
if I gotta take that, I think I'll
Straight.
Oh, yeah.
You gonna tow that with you?
Yep.
A minute and 20.
What you gonna do last time?
Is that the first time you've swum in here? Well, then I would expect. Well, we got
How's it going?
Good, how about you?
Can't complain. We're out there, the water's warm.
That's
Still
what I hear.
15 seconds.
Although you're still,
It could have been like 20, but I accidentally stopped mid-race because I miscounted.
What? Who's got your lap counter?
Nice out there.
Oh, it's
Last week they called it 70.
Yeah, I totally didn't stop on the wall.
That's still pretty warm. That's pretty good. 63.
yeah, or
yeah.
Oh, no, forget that. I'm down.
Matt will remember that Matt used to teach
the first several weeks of your guard.
whenever anyone else goes
Yeah.
to the wall, sure, it was like 200 or something.
How is it
like
the
that.
Philippines?
Yeah,
It's probably just like this right now.
Really?
Like my house is right here and the ocean's right there. You get the breeze.
oh my God.
Oh man.
How far are you guys going today? The whole way? Good, thank you. I was worried you were going to say that. It's like I'm going to
18, maybe 20 seconds.
Yeah, I'm good.
Start swimming. I'm not gonna go all the way out there. Alright. We'll see ya. Okay. See ya.
Yeah, I have
That's what I
to. We're gonna have a guy come over to do some work, so I'm just gonna go around up here and go out.
Yeah. Well, they said the showers aren't. The what? The showers aren't even on.
Oh.
They said they're working on them till 10 a.m.
Oh.
So we don't have showers.
Oh, that's a drag.
I know,
Hey,
right?
can you guys go a week later for the reverse pier?
I don't have any weekend plans.
Yeah, I'm not reversing.
Yes, actually, yes. Do you have anything
I've retired.
Wait, okay, so we can change it so Laura and Melly can be there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, all right, I'll shoot that
So
out.
like the 20 something?
Yeah.
This is a
Oh, God, put it around her neck. Oh, we need a photo. Wait, Jackie.
I'd say we're getting quite a push right now.
Here.
Yeah, definitely. Jackie,
Jackie, do the photo of me.
this is racist news. Oh.
I'm sorry. No, put it around one of these kids. They're the ones.
I thought you said the news.
It is the news.
I gotta go. I'm getting cold.
Oh no, I'm good.
Come over here right now. I'm getting
It's
cold.
so clear.
Don't be swimming
Okay,
too
we gotta
fast.
go.
Yeah, Kyle, don't swim too fast.
All right, good.
2 miles.
2, no.
Oh, I guess we can go through. There's all kinds of open spots.
Okay, good.
We'll go through.
3 weeks.
What?
No.
We can go through. There's all kinds of
Swim
open
one
spots.
mile.
Yeah.
You can swim 2.
You're gonna go around?
And
Yes, then you're gonna be fine.
I know, right? Oh my God. Wait for a wave.
Our head washed off. That's the main thing. And it's even got a foot washer. That barely worked.
You gotta put it on. Oh, they have an adapter. You can
Yeah.
go around it.
I'm gonna go down here to take it off. Keep the. Well, I gotta get some water in there. I'll never get it off at this point.
You can rinse it off with the bodies
Yeah.
if you can. Too cold.
Ah, it is cold. Okay.
Okay, I'll wash this. Do the walk down.
Yeah.
Okay, this is one by one. It's, you know, you push this and it has more power. Pressure.
Okay, in our 10 and under division starting today, we'll have a morning meeting right on court 24. Morning meeting for the 10 and unders on court 24.